Hello everybody. I just made a video on how to get rid of sap and sticky stuff off of your porch deck or wood, and you use Murphy oil soap full strength and you let it set. Then you pour hot water on it, scrub it, repeat. Well, I didn't have a scraper, believe it or not, and so what I used was a kitchen tool, which you shouldn't use. So I had no time to waste. I wasn't about to go to the store to get a paint scraper, so I found this ice chipper. Remember these ice chippers? If there's a way I can do things without straining my joints, I'll find a way. So I took the paint stripper, or the chipper, to strip off this sap. Now you're going to see on the edge the gook, the sap. And I use my foot to scrape it off so I don't have to get on my knees. And sometimes it's a slow push because it's thick. And it really works. So why bother to do it on your hands and knees when you could just use the ice chipper? And you can see all that sap and sticky stuff. It came from this piece of board. So not only does this save you time, it saves you from getting on your hands and knees to scrape. So keep that in mind. The ice chipper is not just for chipping ice. Thanks for watching.